If you are planning to appear for entrance exams like UPSC, SSC, Railways RRB, MBA exams like CMAT, IIFT, etc., then you must watch this video till very end because this video is going to discuss a very important day which can be asked in your exam. This day is important because the story for this day begins in 1995, where more than 100 political leaders pledged to fight against poverty. Do you have any idea which day I am talking about? Well, this day is World Day of Social Justice. And in this video, I am going to discuss with you three questions, which are: first, why is World Day of Social Justice celebrated? Second, what is the theme of World Day of Social Justice? And third, what is the history of World Day of Social Justice? Before moving ahead, make sure to subscribe our channel for all entrance exam updates and press the bell icon to receive important video notifications. Now, let's answer the first question: why is World Day of Social Justice celebrated? It is celebrated with the objective of raising your voice against social injustice, that is, to promote social justice and to bring the various communities internationally together to eliminate poverty, gender and physical discrimination, illiteracy, religious discrimination, etc., to make a socially integrated society. Now, when it comes to the theme of the World Day of Social Justice, it is a call for social justice in the digital economy. It focuses on social justice as it is the global mission of the UN to promote the development and human dignity. According to International Labour Organization, in total there were unprecedented global employment losses in 2020 of 114 million jobs relative to 2019. Employment losses in 2020 translated mainly into rising inactivity rather than unemployment. Accounting for 71% of global employment losses, inactivity increased by 81 million, which resulted in a reduction of the global labor force participation rate by 2.2 percentage points in 2020 to 58.7%. Now, let me tell you the history of World Day of Social Justice. In 1995, the World Summit for Social Development was held in Copenhagen, Denmark, and resulted in the Copenhagen Declaration and Program of Action. In the summit, more than 100 political leaders pledged to fight against poverty. Also, they will work for stable and safe societies. It was also decided that there is a need to put people at the center of development plans. After 10 years, the members of UN states reviewed the Declaration of Copenhagen and Program of Action for Social Development in New York in February 2005, in which how to advance social development was also the key point of discussion. On 26 November 2007, the UN General Assembly declared 20 February as the annual World Day of Social Justice. In 2009, this day was first observed. With this said, no doubt that social justice, equality, and equity constitute the fundamental values of all societies. It is necessary for the government to create a framework for achieving a society for all to promote social justice at national, regional, and international levels. I hope that now you understand the importance of this day. So make sure to watch this video again and note all important things that I have discussed with you to prepare well for your exams. Thank you and all the best.